Hello, my amazing tribe. I'm excited to connect with you through this video. Welcome, everyone, to our latest video where we'll be exploring Better Homes and Gardens TV program. Better Homes and Gardens is an Australian television program which is broadcast on the 7 network, which is based on the magazine of the same name domestically published by our media itself, licensing the brand and magazine format from the American Dotdash Meredith. The program covers a wide variety of lifestyle-related topics. These include gardening, landscaping, architecture, cooking, DIY, pet care, and home improvement, as well as featuring celebrity guests. The show is hosted by former Commonwealth Games swimmer turned television presenter Johanna Griggs, who has hosted the program since 2005. In 2014, Better Homes and Gardens was awarded a record 12th Silver Logie Award for Australia's most popular lifestyle program. Get ready to uncover the mysteries surrounding history as we navigate its intriguing terrain. The show was created by Peter East. Fox, who was also an executive producer for the 1995 series, along with Graham Duckham. This was for the original magazine publisher, Murdoch Magazines, and executive director Mark Kelly. The series aired its 1000th episode on 29 June 2018. Russell Palmer became the executive producer in June 2018 and has overseen a number of changes and refreshes since then. Gardening guru Graham Ross has appeared on the show since 1995, presenting over 700 episodes. Resident vet Dr. Harry Cooper joined the team in 2004 and has been providing pet information and advice to viewers ever since. Ed Helmage, known on the show as Fast Ed, joined the team in 2004. He transforms elegant restaurant cuisine into recipes that anyone can prepare at home. Melbourne chef Karen Martini joined the show in 2006, bringing with her a love of relaxed cooking with fresh, healthy, seasonal produce. Builder Adam Dovile joined the show in 2015 after winning Season 2 of House Rules in 2014, and is the go-to for DIY projects on the show. In January 2020, Charlie Albone, James Tobin and Melissa King joined the show as presenter. Albone's partner Juliet Love is the show's designer and decorator and joined the show in 2021. In November 2023, Helmage announced he is departing the series after 20 years to focus on a personal business venture. His last episode was aired on 1 December 2023. Get ready to uncover the mysteries surrounding host as we navigate its intriguing terrain. Current host Johanna Griggs is present. Former host Graham Ross 2004 Noni Hazelhurst John Jarrett. Now let's shift our focus to food and embark on an intellectual exploration of its various dimensions. Current food presenters Fastnage is present, Clarissa Fidel is present. Previous food presenter Karen Martini 2007-2024 Ed Helmage, known as Fast Ed Pete Evans Mevo Mira Belinda Jeffrey. Our focus now turns to gardening, an important aspect of our discussion. Current gardening presenters Graham Ross is present, Charlie Albone is present, Melissa King is present. Previous gardening presenters Jason Hodges, landscaping Linda Ross, Colm O'Leary 1995-1996. Let's now turn our gaze towards architecture and explore the fascinating connections it has to offer. Current architecture presenter Peter Cockham is present. Previous architecture presenters Graham Bond, Tony Frager 1996. In the next portion, we'll be immersing ourselves in the realm of decorating design and examining its broader implications. Current decorating design presenter Juliet Love is present. Previous decorating design presenter star Dennis Lisson Oliver 2005, Gwen Jones Palmer 2004, Monica Trappiger Fiona Connolly Croft Sandy DeBear 1996, Noni Hazelhurst 1995. Now, let's shift our perspective and explore DIY from a different angle. Current DIY presenters Adam Dovile is present. Previous DIY presenters Rob Palmer, Scott McGregor, John Jarrett. As we transition, let's shed light on motoring and technology and its relevance to our ongoing exploration. Former motoring and technology presenter James Tobin. Get ready for an exciting exploration as we unravel the mysteries of health and fitness. Previous health and fitness presenter some wood. In this section, we'll be peeling back the layers of Pets to reveal its true essence. Current Pets presenter Sherry Cooper is present. Previous Pets presenters Noni Hazlehurst. Without wasting any more time, let's jump into the fascinating world of better living consumer advice. Better Living Consumer Advice Noni Hazlehurst. Let's now turn our attention to broadcast and uncover the fascinating insights it brings to the table. The program originally aired on Tuesdays at 7:30 p.m. and ran back-to-back with The Great Outdoors until the travel program was moved to Mondays early in the years. It then aired before Room for Improvement, which was hosted by then DIY presenter Scott McGregor. Better Homes was moved to Saturday nights at 7:3 in 2004, before being shifted to Both timeslets were reportedly disastrous for ratings, and the show struggled immensely against Australian rules football on other networks. In 2005, it was shifted to 7:30 p.m. on Friday nights, where it has enjoyed ratings success since. It is now the longest-running Australian TV lifestyle program and the highest-rating show on Australian TV. It was often among the top 10 rating programs in Australia during the years, sometimes with audiences in excess of 2 million. From 2007 until 2011, the Seven Network showed Better Homes and Gardens at 7:30 p.m. prior to its coverage of Friday night football starting at 8:30 p.m. This was a very successful timeslot for the show, but the scheduling was unpopular amongst football fans on the East Coast because it meant that the football was shown on a 1-hour delayed telecast except for matches in Perth, which were live due to the time difference. Sports fans and media continually called for Seven to shift Better Homes and Gardens and show the football live, but Seven preferred to leave the show in its top-rating timeslot, moving it only for particularly large matches. Better Homes and Gardens was forced into a new timeslot at the start of the 2012 AFL season, as the new AFL broadcast rights deal forced Seven to show the football live on Friday nights. Better Homes now airs in all states on Friday nights at 7 p.m. on Channel 7 when the AFL is not on and True when the AFL is on. In this section, we'll be deep diving into awards, unraveling its complexities and uncovering valuable insights. Escupero Television Week Logie's best lifestyle program. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.